Good morning, Abitin. For the student, for the electronic enthusiasts and who are willing to understand and advance in making, connecting these decade counters. So, what I have here is the diagram for a decade counter. So we need 7 segment LED, a 7447 IC, which is converter, and we need 7490 counters, IC counters, and 555 timers for making clock, making timing for our circuit, this diagram. So now I will show you the finished product of a decade counter. Yeah, we connect these 4 activities for you. This is now counting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then back to 0. So these activities for learning of the student is giving you idea and techniques how to easily troubleshoot and making this project possible for our activities. So prepare for yourself, prepare for viewing this video. This video is for you, my student. So we start reconnecting so that you have learned how to making connection and troubleshooting for the purpose of your activities in the coming days. So let's start. So this is our project board. So we have here in project board we have negative ground. Okay, we will place here in the blue. So when we place this ground into this side, so all of this blue line are connected together. Okay, and our positive 5 volts we will place at this side, so this wire connected inside the 5 volt power supply going into this board, and this line you can get any portion of this button or this hole, you can get 5 volts here from here. But you see there is what we call cut the line. So if you want to continue this line from this end up to this end, you have to place a small red connection wires connection. So this is now connected all at the same time. In the ground, this blue, you put these wires, so you have a lot of connection from this end into to this end. You have a lot of connection. You can get negative, this negative. Look the diagram, you see the negative is pin number 8 of 7447, our converter, and pin number 10 of our 7490, and pin 7923. With this is the reset. So all together you will connect here in that black one, and the positive one, look, you see this 5 volt. So 5 volt, you put a resistor 220 ohms connected to 7 segment display for common anode, and connected pin number 16 of this IC 7447, plus this is optional 456 453 optional. You can connect or you can remove, but this you must be having a 5 volt, okay, a 5 volt here. So you will connect here on this area. So let's start. First, you have to get a common anode 7 segment display. This is 7 segment. Okay, now you see there was a pin. There are how many pins? 5 here and 5 here, 10 pin. So one of these pin have connected to the line or to the LED or to the bulb of your 7 segment. So I will show you how we will need to connect this. Okay, in this diagram, look, there is A, small a for this LED up, then followed by B, C, D, E, F, and G. So they form pin number 8 when you connected all this A, B, C, D, E, F, plus this is period or point, deep point. This is nukta or point for your 7 segment. This is your points. So now we will place this 7 segment up here. So don't forget this non-connection. From A, B, C, D, E connected. This is connected, F to J, 1 connected. So you can place this 7 segment in this area. Okay, now I place it here, and then this I also place this decoder, this decoder converter 7447 here. So okay, if you put it here, this wrong, okay, because all of this connected. You need place in the middle of this non-connection, so that the pin number 1 to 16, it will not connected. So this is wrong and this is the correct. Okay, so place it here. We will place it this decoder. So now we have one by one, we have to connect this. Okay, now you have to get a 330 ohms. Okay, orange brown for protection. This is only a small voltage. 5 volts is not enough for you. Too much. This 5 volts is too much, so we need to protect this control and limit. This resistor is limiting your coming of voltage from here. So let's connect. Now I place this resistor from the ground into the middle of this 1 2 3 in the middle, the 3 pin number 3 of this LED 7 segment. I place it. Now how to check if it is common anode and even common cathode. Okay, just get this positive volt and place into lock pin 2 this. You see the light is on. This is now up. This is A, this is B, and then this is nukta or the period. Okay, and this is C. Okay, and this is now okay again. No, it will short because it was connected here. Same this. So C, D, this is your D, E, your F, and your G completely. So you have complete 7 segment LED. Okay, again so A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, so put it back there. So one by one you have to connect. Okay, now much better you use color coding. Color coding of this wire. This is solid wire. Do not use standard wire because it will not go through the whole of this project board. This is a green solid wire. I think 2 millimeter. So use. Now we start placing. Okay, so I told you need A. So A, okay, and then the B, A, B. Just as I place this here in positive first, so that you can see the whole 7 segment working. So 1 will not light or will not turn it on, so you have problem with this 7 segment. You have to replace. So this is A, B, you have to put the C, this is the C, okay, and this is now C, E, okay, put E, okay, now this is, and again next after E, D, A, B, C, D, E, and then you put now the letter F, the LED F, yes, here, F, and the last one, this green one, is for letter G. So now, so look, so now you can check and turn it on and light this 7 segment, all A, B, C to D, A, B, C to F, and G, to make it what figure, what number? This is number 8. So now I'm sure that your 7 segment is working, all okay, working. Now I turn it on, all the 7 segment from this common anode 7 segment into pin number 8. So what we do next, after we make sure that this is working, so we will connect to this decoder IC. This decoder IC 7 segment decoder 7447. Okay, so start. So now, according to our circuit diagram, so A will connect into pin number 13, the B1 is pin number 12, D 11, E 9, F 15, G 14. So we will interconnect from this decoder our 7 segment. So let's start. So where is the A? The A is here. So remove the A now. So now you see, when I remove this wire, the A will turn it off. So I will connect it into pin number 13 of this IC. Okay, so you count. This is 1, then this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we'll connect 13, and then next. Okay, now turn up the B. The B is connected to 12. Okay. Now I will turn it off. The C connect to 11. So now the D connect to 10. Pin number 10, and the E connect to pin number 9. So now I will reconnect from the IC to interlink to the decoder this, and then the F is connected to pin number 15. Our 15 is here. Okay, make your wire, so make it like that so that it's easy for you to overshoot. And then the last, the G, will connect to 14. So I have now interconnection with this 7 segment into IC decoder. Now we will put positive connection the decoder IC. Okay, I will place red because same color. Do not make another color so that it will easy for you. Okay, now what will happen when I supply this IC, but wait, don't forget the grounds. Don't place the ground is pin number 8. So we will put the ground. Okay, here. Connect ground into this IC and positive to this IC. Okay, so what will happen, it will turn it on, light on, so he will decode this 7 seconds to make running. Now next, we will place this 7490. Now the counter IC we will place now. Again, we place it here, kata or not correct. So we need always in the middle of this hole, this line, so that it will not interconnect. Okay, now I place it here better, more spacious now. Okay, now of course 7490, you have to complete. Later we will complete this 4 5 and 3. Later what we will do this now. 7490. Now you need, the ground is 10 7 2 and 3 and 6. So we will put ground 10 6 7 2 and 3. Okay, we use the color of black one because this is the ground. So instead of we will getting here, we will getting near or this area, so that it will not so much spaces. So 2 3. So this is first we put ground here. So 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and they said and 6. We interconnect 7 and 6. Okay, like that. Plus we need to connect also the, now we will connect also pin number 2 and 3 using black. This is reset reset connection, and then from 7 we will connect 7 to 10. 7 8 9 10. Put here also ground. So yeah, now this. So we have complete ground step by step grounding. We need to connect. Then plus we place, we put supply positive. We will put 5 pin number 5 this 7490 into positive, the red one. Okay, put positive. So positive number 5, no, small one. We'll put, okay, connect here positive 5 volts. Pin number 5, 1 2 3 4 5. This number, pin number 5, to make connection, looping of positive and negative to make this IC working. So, and then after connect this for ground and positive. Now we will connect. Now we will make connection for this from the decoder into 7490. It will counting, transfer the information or the signals into decoder, and then decode it and make it counting for 7 segments. So let's start. Pin number 7, this area, make it I'm using the blue one, so this is color coding. Pin number 7 of decoder into pin number 12 of our counter, this 12. So now this is now just make okay, and then now 7 into pin number 12 of 7490, and pin number 1, this pin number 1 of decoder into pin number 9. So this is 10, this is 9. Okay, so put wire like that. Pin number 9. Okay, pin number 2 now. Pin number 2 of decoder into sa pin number 8. Now pin number 8 of this. Okay. Pin number 8 to pin number 2. And then the last pin number 11. Pin number 11. Okay, this pin number 11 into pin number 6 of decoder. So we have now 4 wires connection to to the counting, then decoding this IC into placing this 7 segment. Okay. Okay, now after we connect this together, 7 to 12, 1 to 9, 2 to 8, 6 to 12, we will connect now this pin number 1 of 7490 into 12. So this is making loop or making looping for back to 0. So pin number 1 here. Okay, so put it pin number 12. No, this one. So this is 1 to 12. Now after we complete connecting this all together, okay, complete ground, complete positive, and interconnect with this decoder to 7490, and then look, this the clock, 14. This is now the clock. Now we have checking. We can check this. Okay, we can check. Now look, you will connect this 14, pin number 14 into ground. What happened? 0. So start counting. Start counting now our circuit. Okay, so now this is how to check with this if this is okay, this is good, and this is good. 1, 9. So checking only. So this one we will connect into here, this timer 555. We will connect this pin number 3 output going to for number 14, so that it will give pulse moving timing to make it counting. So start working with 555 timer. So now we will place this IC 555. Okay, 8 pin 555. So we place our counter, no counter, this timing or pulse circuit, this here. This is now our 555. So now we will connect the wiring and the resistor, 2 resistors, and the capacitor. Okay, so first we will put 555 ground. Ground is pin number, ground first, pin number 1. This number 1 to into ground. So place pin number 1 here, the ground. 1 to ground. Okay, and we need also positive, the red one. This red one we will need. We will put here pin number 8 into positive. Now connect. We'll connect. Okay, and then we will put a resistor. This is from pin number 10K, pin number 7 of this IC into pin number 8. Okay, this is 10K, this is 680K resistor, 680K resistor, pin number 7 into pin number 6. Okay, so 2 resistors. Then the capacitor, this is a value of 2.2 microfarad, 16 volt or higher. So pin number 2 and 1 and ground. So pin number, by the way, there was a positive negative. Make sure this negative is connected to the ground. The positive, this is pin number 2. So now positive negative, now pin number 2. Okay, it's our capacitor 2.2, and then we will put connection of pin number, we will connect, look, pin number 6 into pin number 2 wires, connect number 2 to pin number 6. Okay, this is another connection. And then now how did we know if this is working or not working? We will place a monitor LED to make it blinking on, off and off, so that we can check this our timer 555 is working or not working. So now we will connect yes, this LED light emitting diode into pin number 3, pin number 3 of our IC. And then to complete this, you need resistor again, 330 ohms, okay, into positive and then into the ground. Now what do you notice? It indicates they sending this IC working normally now, because they it will turning pulses on, off, or 1010 to giving signal to make this 7490 moving. Okay, moving this one. Now this is pin number 14 of 7490. We will put now in our this pin number 3 of 555. So what will happen now? 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 0. Complete. So completing now our circuit. For this diagram, a Dacade counter, a 555 timer, which is putting 555 giving pulses to make it signaling this 7490, going this decoder IC 74. By the way, this is 74. I use 7448, but this is common cathode. So there is a pair for this. When using common anode, use 7447. If you will use common cathode, you will use 7448. So big difference, it will not pair if you will interchange this. So now finish project, finish activities. Okay, decade counting. So make you advance for this. So next video is modulus counter. It will count. You want mode 5, it will count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, and then you cannot see the 5, it will go back to 0. So this is mode 5. So until to mode 22 our activities. So I hope you learned something about this video. Thank you, Habitin. Thank you very much. So student, now I demonstrate to you for connecting this decade counting for you able to make advance for you for our activities. So for those who are hobbies is making this experimenting digital electronic, this is good for you when you view this video. And also for the enthusiasm in electronic, you can learn and much making advantage for this. So next video, wait for me. Thank you. Habitin. See you in our workshop.